Hello my dear students, I am fine and I hope that all of you will be fine. Dear students, in this class I will discuss with you comparison of fractions. You have already learnt about different types of fractions in your previous class. Here I am going to discuss comparison of different types of fractions. Means first I will discuss with you comparison of like fractions. As you know, in case of like fractions, denominators of the given fractions are same. So it is quite easy to compare the given fractions if their denominators are same. Means the topic is comparison of fractions, and first I am going to discuss with you comparison of like fractions. Comparison of like fractions. Example here, try to understand. First example here I am making, understand. Suppose you have fraction 2 by 5 and 4 by 5. Among these two fractions, which one is greater or which one is smaller, or both fractions are equal or not? This we have to calculate, or we have to come to know. As you are seeing, it is 2 by 5 and it is 4 by 5. It has its denominator 5 and it has also its denominator 5. Means in 2 by 5 and 4 by 5, both the denominators are same. Means this is the case of like fractions. And when we compare two like fractions, remember that the numerator which is greater will be the greater fraction. If we have to compare the two like fractions, so remember, in comparison of two like fractions, the fraction having greater numerator will be greater and the fraction having a smaller numerator will be a smaller. And in these two, when we write solution, so 2 by 5 and here box suppose given and 4 by 5. So 4 by 5 is greater than 2 by 5. It is quite easy to understand also. Suppose you have 2 rupees and you are going to distribute 2 rupees in 5 person, and you have 4 rupees and you are going to distribute in 5 person. In which case each person will get more money? When you distribute 4 rupees in 5 persons. So I hope you understood that if we have two like fractions and we are going to compare them, always remember the fraction whose numerator will be greater is the greater fraction. Okay. It is quite interesting. Now the next question is, when we have unlike fractions, then there will be two cases. Unlike fractions with same numerator or unlike fractions with different numerators. Look at here. I hope this example you understood. Now the next comparison is the comparison of unlike fractions. Unlike fractions. Here we have two cases. The first case is unlike fractions with same numerator or unlike fractions with different numerators. Look at here. In one number, unlike fractions with same numerator. Unlike fraction with same numerator. Yes, we have to understand that if we are having same numerators and different denominators, then how will we compare the given fractions? Look at here, with the help of example, I am going to make you understand. Here I am taking examples 2 by 3, 2 by 5, 2 by 7. As you are seeing, in each case numerators are same and we are having different denominators. So in the case of unlike fractions having same numerator, so how will we compare? Remember, in this case, if we are having same numerator and different denominators, the fraction having a smaller denominator will be greater and the fraction having greater denominator will be smaller. Try to understand with the example. Suppose I have 2 chocolates and I have to distribute 2 chocolates in 3 children. I have to distribute the 2 chocolates in 5 children and I have to distribute 2 chocolates in 7 children. In which case each children will get a smaller part, and in which case each children will get each child, not children, each child will get the bigger part. It is quite easy to understand. If 2 chocolates will be distributed among 3 children, each child will get greater part. And if 2 chocolates will be distributed among 7 children, each child will get a smaller part. So remember, the fractions having same numerator and we are going to compare them. The denominators which is a smaller will be the greater fraction and the denominator which is greater will be the smaller fraction. So in this case 2 by 3 will be greater than 2 by 5 and 2 by 5 will be greater than 2 by 7. You can take another example also. Suppose here 4 by 17 and 4 by 25. Which one is greater? In this fraction denominator is 17 and in this fraction denominator is 25. This denominator is greater than smaller than this denominator, so this fraction is greater. Another example, 5 by 8 and 5 by 12 or 5 by 6. In this case, this fraction has 6 as denominator and this fraction has 8 as numerator. And in both cases, numerators are same. So the fraction having a smaller denominator will be greater. So in this case 5 by 6 will be greater than 5 by 8. It is quite easy to understand and I hope you understood also. Now the next topic is comparison of 2 unlike fractions. The second one is comparison of, here I am writing 2 unlike fractions, whether neither numerator equal or not denominators of the fraction equal. So 2 comparison of 2 unlike fractions. Try to understand with the help of example. If we have 2 unlike fractions, then how to compare? In case of 2 unlike fractions, we find the product of the numerator of first fraction to the denominator of second fraction and denominator of second fraction to the numerator of denominator of first fraction to the numerator of second fraction. If both the products are equal, you have studied, if both the products are equal, then both are called equivalent fractions. But here, if not equal, so the greater product we will get in which side, that will be the greater fraction, and the smaller product we will get in this side, then that will be the smaller fraction. Look at here with the help of example, try to explain it. Example here. Suppose it is given 2 by 3 and 4 by 5. These two are unlike fractions. We have to compare them. Which one is greater or which one is smaller? So as I discussed with you, we write 2 by 3, we write here 4 by 5. We do here cross multiplication. Means we will find product of numerator of first fraction with the denominator of second fraction, and product of denominator of first fraction with the numerator of second fraction. In this case, when you find, so you will write 2 into 5 and this side you will write 3 into 4. The product will be here 10 and here 12. Which side will get the greater product? This side. 12 is greater than 10. Hence, 4 by 5 will be greater than 2 by 3. I hope you understood. I am taking one more example to make you understand. Suppose we have 6 by 7 and we have 8 by 9. Which fraction is greater? As I told, you do cross multiplication, you multiply the numerator of first to the denominator of second. So you will write 6 into 9. Denominator of first to the denominator of second, you will write 7 into 8. In both cases, the product here is 6 9 are 54 and 7 8 are 56. 56 is greater than 54. So 8 by 9 will be greater than 6 by 7. Like this you can compare when you have two unlike fractions given. Now with the help of this discussion, you will be able to do exercise 3.5. One more topic is here given, comparison of mixed fraction and improper fraction. If you have given mixed and improper, first of all you will convert the mixed fraction into improper and then you do the comparison. Okay. I hope you understood. When two fractions given, one is mixed and another one is improper. So first of all you convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction and then you compare both the fractions. You will come to know that which one is greater and which one is smaller. So I hope with this discussion you are able to do questions of exercise 3.5. So you have homework exercise 3.5. So thank you students for the class. Bye.